I'm sure many of y'all find it irritating whenever y'all boil milk or something else, and it just gets overheated and spills off. And this is exactly what causes the after reaction. We are all irritated because there's a lot of mess, there's a lot of cleaning that we have to do, and there's no way to get out of it. Today, I'm going to save you from that major cleaning trouble. Of course, there would be a little bit that you would have to clean, but nevertheless, it would be better than a very big portion. Stay along and I'll guide you through the video. This is quite a common scene. The milk boils and then overflows, it messes up the counter, and everything goes down below the gas burner. And then you have a lot of cleaning to do. What is this? Well, usually when you buy cakes from outside or you order cakes, you get this base. And I don't throw it, I keep it so that I can use it under the gas burner like this. So if any spills are there, it will fall directly on this. Now, for those of y'all who do not have this, do not worry. If y'all have huge lids for the vessel like this, they are extra, you can place them underneath. This will save a lot of time whilst cleaning all that mess. Friends, hope you all have liked this hack. Do let me know in the comments section. For those of y'all who are new out here, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that y'all do not miss out on any updates that I post on my videos. If y'all have any suggestions or requests, do feel free to get in touch with me through the comments section, or y'all can even send me a message on my social media accounts. That's all on this video. I'll see you next time with another new hack on How Hacks.